Hello students, welcome. Our Ganit Manjari's third chapter is the world of numbers. In this we are going to see 3.4 exercise 3.4 solution. Look at the first sum. The first sum is represent the rational number 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 4 and 1 by 2 on a single number line. So one number is 2 by 3 and another number minus 5 by 4. Then third number 1 by 2. So for all the three numbers, find the decimals. Okay, but 2 by 3 is decimal. If you don't know to find the decimal, divide it. So you cannot divide. So 0, 6 times 18, remaining 2, again 0, 6 times 18. It moves on. Whenever we are having denominator a prime number other than 2, we cannot terminate the decimal. It goes on. So you can write the decimal as 0.67 approximately. Then minus 2.5, you know that minus 1.25. Otherwise divide and check. Always numerator in the divisor place, no need to write the sign, and denominator in the dividend place. So here 1 time 4, remaining 1, keep a dot, 0, 2 times 8, remaining 2, 0, 5 times 20. Okay, then convert the mixed into improper. So how to convert this into this, denominator into the whole number plus this one, that is 2 into 1 plus the numerator divided by 2 with nothing but 3 by 2. That is 1 by 2's improper is 3 by 2, the decimal is 1.5. So we are having now three numbers. One is 0.65, another one is minus 1.25 and 1.5. Now look at the numbers. Now 0.67, between which two numbers? Between 0 and 1. Now minus 1.25, between which two numbers? Between minus 2 and minus 1. Then 1.5, in between which two number? 1 and 2, you know very well. Okay, now take a number line. See, this is the number line. Now we can divide this. Say this is my 0, 1, 2, left hand side minus 1, minus 2, right hand side positive number, right hand side of 0 positive, left hand side of 0 negative. Now look at the number, that is which one? First one, in between 0 and 1. So in between 0 and 1, here we need to place the number. Now you have to divide the part. Look at the decimal for this. What is the decimal here? Denominator for this? 3 is the denominator. So that 0 to 1 should divide it into 3 parts. So we need 2 lines. This is one part, this is another part. So 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay. So when 1, 2, 3 part, in that look at the decimal. This is 0.65. That is more than half, nearest to the greater number. 0 and 1, the greater number is 1. So it is nearer to that. So this is the place for 2 by 3. This place is for 2 by 3. Here we can represent 2 by 3. In such a way, next number minus 1.25, between minus 1, this one, minus 1 and minus 2, in between this. For that, look at the denominator 4. So divide your denominator into 4 equal parts. So dividing this into 4 equal parts, we need 3 lines. So 4 equal parts. Okay, then look at the decimal, minus 1.25. So it is nearer to, this is less than minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 is the exactly middle number. Minus 1.25 is less than, okay, it is nearer to 1. So we can take this place and we could represent here minus 5 by 4. Then one more number, 1 and 2. So where the 1 and 2 will be? Sorry, 1.5 in between 1 and 2. So here the place in between 1 and 2. So what is the denominator for this? Denominator is 2. So divide it exactly 2 parts. That is the place for 1.5, exactly middle 1.5. Or else you can mention the exact number. What is that? 1 by 2. So this place we can represent 1 by 2. So this is the place for 1 by 2. Like this, make the given number as decimal and find out it is belongs to which two number, then divide that two number into that many parts, what is there in the denominator, then represent it. Now look at the next question. What is given? 3 distinct rational number that lie strictly between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Okay, there are two ways to find the number. We will see the first way. That is one way, finding average of this. That is one way. The another way, making an equivalent rationals and finding in between. Otherwise decimals. 3 ways are there. We will see 2 ways. Okay. So look at the first one, that is average. Taking average. So what to do? What is average of this? 1 by 2 plus average means adding the number and dividing how many numbers are there. 2 numbers are there. So when we are adding and dividing that by 2, 2 unlike, so taking LCM, you will be getting minus 2 plus 1 divided by 4 divided by 2. So minus 1 by 4 divided by 2 is nothing but minus 1 by 4 into 2 is minus 1 by 2. So exactly, if this is the number line, means these are minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, and in between exactly minus 1 by 8 is there. Now you can find in between these two any one number, and in between this two any one number. So average of minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8 divided by 2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8 divided by 2. Again LCM is 8, so 4 2s are 8, and 4 minus 1 by 8 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 8 into 2 is equal to minus 5 by 16. This is another number, that is in between this two, exactly at the middle, we will be having minus 5 by 16. Now next two numbers, that is average of minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 divided by 2. Average of two numbers. Okay, this is clear for you, I think so. Then LCM, here LCM is 8. So 1 plus 2 by 8 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 into 2 is 1 by 16. Okay, clear? That is what we did. First we found the average of 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 plus 1 by 4. So average of these two number, minus 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 4 is nothing but minus 1 by 8. So exactly that is the middle number 1 by minus 1 by 8. Next, the middle number of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. That is nothing but average of minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 8 divided by 2. Then we will say like that you can find the number. So these are the numbers in between, that is 1 by minus 1 by 2. In between that minus 1 by 8 we got minus 5 by 16 and plus 1 by 16. Then we are having 1 by 4. So these are the three numbers in between the given two numbers. We cannot say only these three numbers in between this. Infinitely many numbers are there in between any two number. Infinitely many rational numbers are there, particularly infinitely many rational numbers are there. The another method that is taking by making common denominator. The next method, by making common denominator. dr is nothing but denominator. That is, look at there, minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 4. If you want to change it as mixed like rational, means this is nothing but 2 by 4. Okay, minus 1 by 2, we can find the equivalent for that minus 2 by 4. Now, these twos are minus 2 by 4 and 1 by 4, both are like. Now, take a common number and multiply both the numbers. I am going to take 3. That is minus 2 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 and 1 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. Both the numbers multiplied with common number. That is minus 6 by 12 and 3 by 12. Minus 6 by 12 and 3 by 12. Now, minus 6 by 12 and 3 by 12, how many numbers are there? Minus 6 by 12, the next number minus 5 by 12, the next number minus 5 by minus 4 by 12 and minus 3 by 12, minus 2 by 12, minus 1 by 12 and 0 and plus 1 by 12 and 2 by 12 plus 2 by 12, then 3 by 12. So these many numbers we can get. In this, any three number you can give us answer. Okay, now by making decimal. Now convert that into that given rational into a decimal. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 0.5 and 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. Okay, now in minus 0.5 and plus 0.25, many numbers, many decimals are there. You can take any three decimal and write. So these are the three ways to find and the rational numbers in between any two numbers. You can find the average or making a common denominator or making the given number as decimal. The next number, simplify the expression. So how to, this is very easy. Previous exercise itself you saw. So how to make this, that is minus 1 by 4 plus of 5 by 12. So addition, minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. Unlike rationals, so denominator must be LCM. 4 and 12 belongs to same table. So greater number is the LCM. Now when we are multiplying 4 into 3, we will be getting 12. So that numerator should multiply with 3. So minus 3 plus 5. So answer is 2 by 12. If we are reducing this by 2 table, 1 by 6. So answer is 1 by 6. Now look at the next question. A tailor has 15 3 by 4 meters of fine silk. if making one kurta requires 1/4 meters of silk, exactly how many kurta can he make? So what is given? Total length of cloth, the silk length is what? 15. He has totally, that is total silk cloth is nothing but 15 3/4 meters. For stitch one kurta, for one kurta, he needs 2 1/4 meters of cloth. Okay. So exactly how many kurtas can he make? Suppose, see, this is the length of the cloth. Okay. So if suppose they are cut this and making one kurta, this is the total length of this is 15 3/4 meter, means for making one kurta 2 1/4 meter cut out, and for this another 2 1/4, for this another two, like this. So what to do? If you are dividing the whole by the part, you can get the number of kurta. Okay, so number of kurtas is nothing but 15 3/4 divided by 2 1/4. Both are mixed fraction, make it as improper. So how to make whole part into denominator plus numerator by the denominator, divided by, here also whole part into denominator plus numerator divided by the given denominator. So 15 fours are 60 plus 3/4 divided by 8 plus 1/4. So 63/4 divided by 9/4. You know very well division, how to divide it. Division can change it into multiplication, then as per the multiplication rule we can divide. For that first fraction no change as it is, then multiply, change the division symbol into multiply, as well change the next fraction as reciprocal. Now cancel it. How many times we can cancel? Because common table is there, or else you can write like this also. If it is easy for you, you can write this 63 into 4 divided by 4 into 9. Now you can cancel it. That is 4 and 4 get cancels one time. Now next 3, 9 and 63. So how many times 9 table we can get 63? No? 7 times. So what is our answer? Numerator we are having 7 into 1. Denominator we are having 1 into 1. So 7. So what is the answer? Number of kurtas. How many kurtas? 7 kurtas. So total length 15 3/4 cut into 2 1/4 meters, means we can stitch here, the tailor can stitch 7 kurtas. Next, find 3 rational numbers between these two numbers. 2 decimals are given, that is 3.1415 and 3.1416. 2 decimals are given. You need to find in between these two any rational. You know, in between any two number, infinitely many rational numbers are there. So when the decimals are given, here also 4 digits, here also 4 digits, you can include any digits after the decimal point, no issue. So you can write, include 1 0 here as well, 3.14106 here also. Now look at here, last 2 digit number 3.141, same Here also 3.141 same. Now this is 50. Then this is 60. So in between 50 and 60, how many numbers? Many numbers are there, no? So 14150. The next number 3.14151. Then 3.14152. 3.14153. 3.1416, like that you can write all the numbers. 3.14159. Then you can write 3.141516. So these many numbers are there. Like that you can increase the decimals right hand side, and you can find any number in between. Can you think of other ways to find the rational number between any two rational number? So already we discussed this, no? That is one way. What to do? Taking an average. Which means A by B and C by D are two rationals. You can take A by B plus C by D divided by 2. Like this you can find rational. The second method, making common denominator. Common denominator, that is equivalent fraction. Any fraction, for example 2 by 3 and any other number 2 by 3 and 5 by 2, for example, two numbers given. You need to find numbers between this, rational number between this, means make the common denominator. How to make? So if you are multiplying 3 into 2, you will be getting 6. There, that side 2 into 3, we will be getting 6. Find equivalent fraction. 3 into 2, 6 into 2 into 3, 6. So the same number should multiply with the numerator also. So equivalent fraction nothing but 4 by 6 and this one 15 by 6. Okay. Now you can find in between, that is 15 by 6 and 4 by 6. Many numbers are there, you can find, or else you can multiply some other common numbers and you can get the number. This is another way. And the third method, making decimal. So whatever the fraction is given, you can make that as decimal, and in increasing the decimals, you can find the numbers between that. Thank you.